Hey folks, here we are at Martin Cove on the Sunshine Coast of British Columbia, Canada. It's one of my favorite places to be. It's so relaxing. Tide's coming in right now. It's February, so it's a little bit cold, but it's still absolutely beautiful. Water's crystal clear today. One of my favorite things to do here, though, is to check under these rocks to see what kind of sea creatures we can find. Sometimes we find snakes, sometimes we find crabs. Got lots of barnacles under this one. Let's check more near the water. Let's go. Here. These are probably some good ones. Nothing here. What have we got over here? Not much here either. Let's take a look. Nothing today. Some pods. What do we got over here? No, nothing there. No, nothing today. We're not having good luck. Let's go closer over here with some tide pools. What do we got? Some limpets. We got some kelp. Mussels. Not much sea life today. Oh well, at least enjoy the view. Maybe tomorrow we'll find something better. Take care, guys.